you gave, a channel hand so strong and brave. Through sleepless nights and waking days, you show me love and quiet ways. Not seeking praise, you just saw. You gave your life to give your all. A father like you, Lord, how can I ask for more? You carried our burdens, that your back in the song was every small kindness in all you've been through. Thank you, dear God, for a father like you. You taught me faith without a word. By how you lived, your voice was heard. You gave without asking, you prayed through the pain. Trusting your grace again and again. Your drive us see us rise. You held our tears, wiped our crime. A father like you, Lord, how could I ask for more? You carried our burden, though your back was sore. With every small